This will be a review of the quiz we gave as a replacement quiz for low score on Chapter 10. It's a kind of a review of logarithms and exponential notation. So for number 1, this was the original problem. And what we were going to do is convert it. This is the condensed form. We're going to convert it to its expanded form, where the exponent 4x will come down in front of the log, and log of base 9, so the 4x comes down here, equals the log of this. Now, we're going to divide both sides by 4, the log of 9, which is what I have right here, and that will give you what x is. And that's the answer. Here we're going to convert it from its e form, bring the exponent down in front of the natural log, and remember, when it's e of e, this formation, this just becomes a 1 here, and we get 2x then equals the natural log of 7, and we want to solve for x, so we're going to divide both sides. Well, we divide out the, again, this is just 1 here, so we're now going to divide both sides by 2, and the 2's cancels out, and this is what we get as an answer. Natural log of 7 divided by 2. Now, if we put that into our calculator, we'd get a value, but we wanted to know the protocol for that. Now, here was the expanded form. We're going to put it in line 2 in its condensed form. And now we're going from logarithmic form to exponential form, where our base is 6, our answer is 1, and the exponent, I should say the exponent is 1, our answer is 7x. There you go. So here, 6 to the first is 6. We just divide both sides by 6. X is 6/7. We'll raise it up in a few moments, but we'll jump on to number 7, where we had this, and we're converting it to its log form. Again, we take this, move it in front of the log, divide both sides by the log of 3, which is what we've done here. Then we're going to subtract 5 from both sides, which is what we've done here. And then we're going to divide by 2, which is the same as multiplying by 1/2, and this is the answer. Number 8, we're converting it. Remember, natural log of e, this just becomes a 1, and our answer here is 1/3, so x is 1/3. For the last few, now we have the function of x here, and the function of g here. We're asked to multiply them together. So it's just x times this gives you this for an answer. Here are our function for f, g, and h, but of this we're asked to multiply g times h. So we're going to multiply this binomial times this trinomial. I set it up as long multiplication, and we get this answer. Now, most of you got this one right. For number 6, we're putting it in log form, condensing it, so this will be log base 5 of 2 times log base 5 of 7. 2 times 7 is 14, and this is the answer. Now, for this one, we're converting it from its log form to its exponential form, Our base is 5. Our exponent is 2. And our answer is 3x minus 11. So we square the 5, get 25, and we have a simple equation. X is 12. And from number 10, again, we're converting it from its logarithmic form to its exponential form. Base is 8, exponent is negative 2, and x is our answer. Well, 8 to the negative 2 power is 1 over 8 to the second, which is 1 over 64. Alright, so again, a quick review. You might get something like this on your test tomorrow.